Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is Nature's Remedies, and the kit that I've used is, well, it's actually two kits that I've used. It's a collaboration between Artymaze and Tracie Fox. I will put the links below to the kits. Each lady has, I think it's like 21 or 22 pages in each kit. So I've used that, and I've used a few other things, and I'll mention it as I go through. So the cover here is actually William Morris, which is from Artymaze, and I've stitched all around. We've got eyelets, we've got ribbon with some little hearts on there. The front topper here is just a couple of layers of, don't know what kind of material it is. I've got tons and tons of it. It's just a light cotton, like a light calico, very light. And the journal measures 8 by 5, one signature, 56 pages front and back, and it's stuffed full of stuff in here. Will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So on the cover, on the topper, sorry, I meant to say that, this is one of the journal cards from the kit. Don't know which kit it is now because I just printed out pages from one kit and the other kit and just kind of mixed and matched them. These words here are from Artymaze. I do not know if she has got them as a freebie or anything. I know she sent them to me when the kit came out, but like I said, I don't know if it was a freebie or not. Can't remember. She might have just thought I was special. Anyway, let's go inside. Okay, so it's turned out quite chunky, this did. There's lots of tags in here. I also used tags from Tracie Fox, which is a field notes layered tags, and I used construction cards from Artymaze, and that of kit is obviously in her shop. So here I've used one of the pages just to make some pockets. These are, I think they're a freebie from Artymaze. The little, let me make sure I'm in frame here. They're like little, like domino size digitals, and that is one of the pages from the kit. And on the inside is one of the pages from the kit as well. And like I said, I cannot remember what pages come from what lady's kit now because I just printed it out. Obviously from the kit. This is from the kit. So is this. Double journal card. I had some of this printed off already from the last time I made it. Here is a flip, so you could glue top and bottom there, make that a permanent pocket. That tag is glued on, and you can, that is a little tuck as well, and that could be a tuck. These are from Mrs. Cogs, and it's the Thistle something or other. Can't remember the name of it. I was planning on keeping a bit of paper with it on, and I can't find it. No, I've probably thrown it in the bin. It was just a little bit at the bottom, and it tells you. Let me see. Oh, I don't know what I've done with it. Okay, Thistle something or other. And this is a field notes layered tag, and that's Tracie's labels. This is her nature labels, I think it is, and that's one there. Tracie's tag, and this is from Mrs. Cogs as well, so that goes in there. Then we've just got like a little tea card there, that's from the kit. There's plenty of journal space, some Spanish dictionary page, that is coffee dyed, and that's from 1929, that is. Some coffee dyed lined paper, some Edith Holden. This is Artymaze's eco dyed kit. Some trim on there. Got a little side tuck here using one of the background pages from the kit, and then another little tea card on there. And we have another, this is Tag Fabrication. That is also a collaboration between Artymaze and Tracie Fox. This piece here that I added is from Tracie Fox Field Notes Layered Tag, and this is from Tracie's Nature Labels, and this is from the kit. Then here we have a postcard, and this is actually from Line Dot Arrow, and it's from her spring something or other kit, spring writings, think that's what it's called. Still got to do a big journal with that. So I thought that went well, so I popped that in there. That is an envelope, and I've glued it down that side to create the tuck, and then just matted the flap with some of the paper from the kit. This is one of the little embellishments from the kit. Then here I've just I've opened it this side, and inside there we've got one of Artymaze's construction cards. So that's just all layered up. You get each sheet, you get like two cards, and then lots of embellishments and things to decorate it with. And I put that on some. That was actually a greeting card. I found loads of them the other day with envelopes, so using them. So because I'm not going to make any greeting cards again. I used to do card making. This is just a couple of layers here. This is Tracie's labels and butterfly from, I think it's the tag fabrication kit. And then obviously there you can journal on there and here. Then this is one of the pages from the kit. And we have, I've just popped one of them on there like a little tab thing. And then we have this from the kit. Little folder, you could cut that up, you could, you know, if you wanted to, you could make a little booklet out of it. Up to you. Another tag, that's a tag fabrication, and then one of Tracie's images from a can't remember the name of the tag kit now, just gone, I said it a minute ago. Field notes layered tags, and then one of Tracie's labels. And that's just held on with a paper clip. Then we have some more of that dictionary page. We have lined paper, it's been coffee dyed, Edith Holden, some more eco dyed paper, which is printable from Artymaze. Then here we have a little tuck, Tracie label, a tag from the kit, and I've used, forgot to say, I've been using some sari ribbon. It's not sari silk, it's sari ribbon. And then another little tag here from Line Dot Arrow. Another page from the kit. Got a pocket here, and then one of the little domino size, and I do believe that's a freebie. And then that's actually all on there already for you. Some more sari ribbon, and that is a tag fabrication, and that is from Line Dot Arrow. Centre of the signature, and then that's a little tuck here. We've got a tag from Tag Fabrication, another Line Dot Arrow. Like I said, I think it's called Spring Writings. A little tab there. Again, you could glue that top and bottom to make it a permanent pocket. Then here we have a tag as a pocket. That's Tag Fabrication. This is from Field Notes Layered Tags, as is the tag. And yep, I just hadn't to feel. I did put that on, and then another Tracie label. And then some sari. It's like dark greens and that I've picked out of that. Here is another flip, and this is another little fold from the kit. There's many things that you could do with that with the kit, but I've just left it as such. Another tag from the kit, and little T card as a tab there, and the eco dyed paper. Another tag here. I've used the little bits from the tag fabrication to decorate that. And we have Edith Holden, some fluff, lined paper, dictionary page. Then made this, that's tag fabrication. I think that's all from tag fabrication actually. So that is that. Then a little T card there. Some more lace. Love this page. Another envelope flip, and in there we have another construction card from Artymaze. And then this has just been layered up, butterfly and a Tracie label, and then you can journal on there as well. So that goes in there. And that was, I made them from the envelope, the card envelopes that I made, the tag fab. Oh, shut up, Yvonne. The construction card. I used too many kits in this. I used too many kits to remember them all. That's how I decorated the flap on there, and a little circle embellishment. That's a double layered tag from Tag Fabrication, and that is one of the images from the kit as well. That just pops in there. Then again here we have another flip, and the tag is on there. That's Field Notes layered tags. So is that, and that's one of Tracie's labels, and then the tag here from the kit. And like I said, you could glue the top and bottom to make a permanent pocket. The eco dyed paper, then here is line dot arrows tag fabrication. This envelope comes off, there's nothing in the envelopes from the kit, and that's just on there on the Edith Holden page. I didn't really show you that well, did I? There we go. And then them tags just pop in there. Lined paper, dictionary page, another little tea card. Then here we've got another pocket, Tracie label, line dot arrow, tag fabrication, and I think that's from the Tracie's kit, the Field Notes layered tags. I think I might keep to just maybe one or two kits next time. I use quite a few. And that is the back page. So that is the journal. What I've done with shipping at the moment, because I've had a few people say to me, oh, they wish they could buy my journals, but shipping is too expensive. So I've been very kind, and for the next week or two, maybe we'll see how it goes, I've just put a flat rate for shipping on there, and I will still send it tracked. So I'm gonna kind of possibly lose out, just not much money at all, but it is a shame. I know shipping's expensive. There's things that I look at and I'm like, oh my goodness, I really love that. And sometimes once you've filled your basket up, the shipping is near enough the same as what's in your basket. And you know, if like things from abroad, and it's a little bit disheartening. So the journals that are on there now and this one will have a flat rate, and we'll see how that goes. So it's just something that I'm trying. I'm not saying it's going to be forever, but it's just a little experiment. And all the fluff off the sari ribbon, is everywhere. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.